Hi, I'm Marie from wisdompreserved.life, and I'm taking a little break from getting my greenhouse ready for actually getting things ready to do the seedlings themselves. I'm doing a new system this year. It's the Mittleider Gardening System. I'm super excited about it, but it does do things a little bit differently than I have. And one of those things that he does is he plants in these wooden seedling trays. And he has the directions inside his book. It's the Mittleider Gardening Course. And it's a fabulous book. I really recommend you getting it. But I'm going to show you how to make these little trays if you decide to do it this way. In addition to the tray, you need just a little 17-inch, 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch sized board. And this is what you will use to make your little rows when you go to plant. So we have that. And let's move on to our dimensions for our boards. Now these are all pallet boards that I've ripped down to the proper size. They were great because they were already 1/2 of an inch wide. You could go as thin as 1/4 of an inch, but I felt like it would be really hard to construct it together with it like that. Even with 1/2 of an inch wide, sometimes it's hard with the nail gun to get it to go in properly. Now, all of my bottom boards, so there's going to be 5 of them, they're cut 18 inches long and they're 3 1/8 inches wide. For my sideboards, they're all cut 2 3/4 inches wide, and there's 2 of them that are 18 inches and 2 of them that are 17.5. Please forgive the mess on the top of this desk. It used to be a craft desk for my kids, and now I'm in the middle of redoing it so that it's a seedling desk. But I think it'll work really well to show you how to put these together. So the first thing that I like to do is grab my 17.5 inch boards and have those go on the inside of my 18 inch boards. And this is for the sides, so these are all the ones that were the 2 3/4. And then I do just a little bit of wood glue on the end of them. Now I have a really big glue container that seems like it needs to be opened a little bit more. If you have one of the squeeze bottles, sometimes that works better. Sometimes I'll refill those squeeze bottles from this big one, but I just find that I go through so much construction stuff that it's better for me to get it in bulk, plus the price is so much better. Okay. So I have a little glue on each end. And that will go there. And then a little glue on each end of this one. And that will go there. Now I like to use the nail gun for this because it's just so much easier. It makes it so that the wood doesn't split, but the nail gun, it just doesn't hold as well without the wood glue, so it's a good idea to do that. And then if you have a clamp, that works great. Otherwise, you can just hold it, but be careful because sometimes those nails go wonky places. If you have a spot like this where some of the nails come out, all you have to do is nip them off. I did go ahead and throw in an additional nail just to make sure that it was safe. With how long these nails are, they're a little hard to keep right on. And then what I'll do is I'll just kind of nail that down so that it's not sticking it. The last step is to go ahead and lay your bottom planking boards across. So you do them parallel with the other 18-inch boards that were from the side. And you can go ahead and put glue underneath them if you want to, and then you just nail them down. As you can see, it's just not that hard to make these seed trays, and I'm really excited to try them and to try this new method. Keep an eye out for the other videos in our Mittleider gardening series, and don't forget to like and subscribe.